Hello and welcome back to a brand new video. This video is specific to people who are driving with Uber, whether through Uber Driving or Uber Eats, and have had their account deactivated, not for any malicious reasons. Maybe they didn't get banned, they didn't get any complaints onto their account, but maybe they weren't online for the last 90 days. What happened is that your account, and this is according to the Uber website, this is me on the Uber website, detailing that. If you're not online for the last 90 days, your account could get automatically suspended. So it's not because somebody complained. It's not because you had a very low score. It's not because, I don't know, you did something. I'm not here to judge you. It's only because your account was idling. You can always come back. If you want to start rides again, let us know by completing the information below. We will reactivate your account. This is according to Uber. So basically what you want to do is you want to log on to partners.uber.com, or you want to use the application to make sure that the information and documents on your account are up to date. So that's the first thing, and the only thing really that they need, apart from the fact that you were suspended because you were just idle, is the fact that they need to recheck your documents, your driving documents, everything that is related to applying for work for them. And as soon as they confirm that that is up to speed, and if your account was originally activated earlier than 1 year ago, you may be required to do a re-verification. So if it's been gone for more than a year, you're going to have to sort of reapply your everything regarding your documentation and your paperwork. So if you are online recently and it's just between 90 days and a year, that's the only, it'll get reactivated right away. However, as I aforementioned, if it was suspended for other reasons, you need to actually do and take other steps. But this video is just for people that's been deactivated because of the fact that they've been idle. If you found this video helpful, let us know, and let me know what other videos you'd like me to make. Thank you for watching.